Hi, everybody. It is very special podcast because I'm sitting with one of the great ladies, right? She's Nidhi Jain, ma'am, and she is running her own institution for German language training, and she is actually she teaches and inspires to many girls just to be independent and to be strong. So I'm going to discuss with her regarding German language training and mentorship, and especially going German, moving German as a jobber for the business purpose, for the study purpose, visa and all. So I just want to know, first of all, that why did you choose this German training?
Okay, to be very frank, when I just uh, I was about to complete the 12th, suddenly my sister said, "Why not you do like German language because it's on boom?" So I was like, "No, I don't want to do." But of course, it's a elder sister. She insisted me. I said, "Okay, let's just try it." So I went to Max Miller Bhavan, and there I just enrolled, and I completed the event. It was of 3 to 4 months, and suddenly it was like, it's so boring. Why the hell I'm doing it? I don't want to do it. But simultaneously, I got one idea. Since it was 9 years back, so I was not very much aware of the YouTube. I was not aware of anything. Even I don't have a proper phone by which I can make proper videos. So I decided, let's make a YouTube channel. So whatever I am learning, I will just create one video and we'll do over it. So I remember I just borrowed my sister's iPhone. And then on every paper, I just write it alphabets, and I compile one video and voiceover. I'd upload the video. And suddenly I was surprised that over 200 plus views, and that views were like, wow, I'm getting 200 views. Oh my God. So yeah, it was a very nice thing, and I get motivated that oh wow, 200 people is watching me.
Great.
I can create more content.
Great.
So on that day, I decided that I can do that. So then I remember that I just keeping doing it. So I suddenly get a call from one institute that was in Noida. So can you please come to our office? I said, I only know even, yet it is not completed. It's okay, you just come because I liked your video. Till then only 2 videos were uploaded.
Okay.
Okay, I said, okay,
Fine.
that's a great opportunity.
Yeah, right, yes.
So I just went there, and they said, you have to come from tomorrow. No interview, nothing, just they asked my name, and they asked me how much German you know.
They got impressed.
Maybe. So yes, I just joined it from the next year. Yet the salary was 10K only. On that time, it was great because while the student just after 12th is earning 10K was a huge thing.
Exactly, the huge.
Like it's a huge thing. Plus, as a woman, if you are earning it, oh my God, you are independent. So that independent feeling motivates me a lot. I started creating more content. In that office, whatever I was learning, I was just teaching to the students. First day, I got a student, and the student was the owner of one company, of one IT company.
Okay.
So I was like, wow,
I'm teaching IT and
the CEO of one company.
Yeah.
That just moved me on the next level. So it just happened like this, and suddenly I was start getting the online classes from the YouTube itself.
Okay, great.
After uploading 10 to 12 videos, I was like, wow. So after the job, around 9, 10, 11, I just start taking classes.
Okay, cool.
And then I realized that I can hire the trainers on the barter system. I will be giving the students, and according to them, I will pay.
Right.
So I just had that, and accordingly, I just gathered around 4 to 5 trainers. I was like, wow, we have created a company. So, see, to be very frank, if I'm working in one company, so that company basically wants you have to work for us only. So when they saw that I am growing, and they are also a German language institute, so they just one day they just say, why not you collab with us? They give me 2 options. One, either you combine German GAN with us, or you just close the German GAN.
Okay.
Same day I gave the resign that I'm going. I am done, I'm going. Thank you so much, because on that platform itself, I have learned so much. Like, I have learned how to do marketing, I have learned how to create videos of professional thumbnails, and everything I've learned from that platform. So I'm very much like, I'm your
Straight.
So not mastery. We cannot ever get the mastery, because every day is a new learning day. So you have to learn something. So that was the thing, and that's how the company started. Of course, my father my sister, my mother supported me a lot.
Good.
And of course the close friends, so that was a real motivation. This is how the company started. And if I tell you more about the journey when I resigned, that was the main crossover. Because as a CEO, if you think you have to earn money, suppose if I'm taking a co-working, because I don't have any office,
Right.
I have to take co-working. I need some place because online students need offline classes also.
Right. Right.
So I took, I think so after resignation, after 7 days, I chose the co-working.
Right.
My father said, no,
Hmm.
don't take the, what should I use?
Oh, okay. Like.
Do not hurry for anything. Have patience. Everything will be happening in a proper time. I was like, no, I need a place. Because my mind was hampering that will I be able to pay the 30K rent of that co-working place?
Exactly.
My mind was like, when I was, after resigning, I was thinking, I was the person that will I be able to earn that 15-20K which I have increased in that 1 year? How will I survive? Because I'm independent. If I ask money from my parents, that would be really bad for me.
Exactly.
But by the God grace, by the blessings of my parents, I did it. And after 7 days, I just opened a co-working space. And then it happens. Then after 12 days, COVID came. It's a big mess. Again, you are back to the zero. Because you can only take the online class.
Exactly.
And it happens. Okay, in COVID, the business
Got completely
down. But
down.
it was working. Like, it was not like that you are not earning a single penny. Yes, I was earning this much that, okay, I can survive. Okay, because everything was closed, but still I was able to survive online. And this is how the company, and after that, the COVID finished. After 3-4 years, I owned, like my father and me, purchased our own office, and now we have also opened last week also the second office of our. So yes, now
Second office.
Yes.
Where is it?
it's in Prithviar only. We have just increased the space.
Okay, the space. But you have bought your own property.
Yes.
Wow, interesting.
And now we are opening in Noida also. So yes, connect with us.
That's a very good thing. Okay. So here you have discussed and talked about your own journey, like as how you started, how you resigned, how you learned, and how you started teaching. But the point I want to understand that, how to learn German. Like if I say Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Nacht, right? There are so many words like which I am aware of, but I'm not aware of multiple words. So how will you teach me?